Hey guys, Mike here from Pinell Tools. Today we're going to show you our patented toilet bowl flange remover. It's a one-of-a-kind tool. It's very cool. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So first off, we have them both in our 4-inch model and in a 3-inch model. So made for both sides toilet bowl flanges. What's really unique about these and how they're made, so you guys can see right here, we use 5 separate inserts, and these are offset to a different spec on each one. And it's made to fit exactly perfectly in our standard toilet bowl flanges. And it will go ahead, you will save the pipe and not have to worry about cutting on the sides and then shaving it like you normally do. So we're going to demo this today and show you exactly how it works. Okay guys, so we have our own little setup here to demonstrate how these tools work with the toilet bowl flanges. So I'm going to run this on a 3-inch one right now. So this is a flange where, as you can see, it's a beveled edge flange where it's going inside the pipe. So again, we want to save the pipe. So we're going to start with this first. And we're going to go rip it and show you what it's like. First thing that's going to happen, I'm going to turn around, just a little bit of WD-40. We're going to spray a little bit of WD-40 inside real quick. And we're going to spray some on the tool. Now in this case, you don't want anything going down your pipe. So we're going to put a rag in here just to prevent any debris from going down the pipe. And then it's time to start going. So in this case, you're going to run this thing and you're going to allow it to do just let it eat on its own. You don't need to put a lot of pressure in it. So let's go. That's it. We've already taken the flange off. At this point, she'll come right up. Now you're back, you're ready to put your new flange in. So we're going to go ahead and do that right away. There you go. That easy. Flange is done. Take out your rag. You're ready to go. Quickest toilet bowl flange remover you've ever seen. All right, guys, so there you guys saw a toilet bowl flange remover in action, exactly how it works. Each toilet bowl flange remover comes with its own individual case. So you can see your 3-inch and your 4-inch, but we also sell them as a set with both the 3 and 4-inch combined. So you guys can check them out. You could buy them yourself right at pinelltools.com. There's the website right there.